morning. Today I'm filming some stuff that I've been doing to remain healthy or get even more fit. No air quotes necessary. And yesterday I did really well. I worked out, I went on a walk, I ate healthy, all that stuff. And then I went to bed at like 1 o'clock or later. So. Now usually during this little coffee time I play Animal Crossing and check out my town and make sure everybody good, but it would be healthier for me to actually have to accomplish something before playing my video game. So I'm gonna like journal and read or something like that, and then I'll maybe do a little walk and then I can play my video game. And luckily last night, you know, I stayed up so late playing my video game, so I've kind of gotten my fill of it anyways. I'm not too curious what's going on. I saw them not even 8 hours ago. So, what else? Oh, I did water my plants this morning. I'll do that again later. Whew. All right, I'm gonna go for a walk now. I took a shower instead of journaling, which I think was a good choice. I know this. I know. Outside. Oh God. Out. Today I'm going to try to do just a few more productive things before I let myself play a little bit of Animal Crossing again. First thing I'm going to do is make a little mixture, I think of like vinegar, water, and Dawn soap to spot clean my canvas bag, my precious. I got her from a Goodwill in Phoenix, I think this past year, and she's got a few spots on her, okay, and I can't obviously put this in the washer. My past self would have done such a stupid thing, and I'm sure these colors would bleed together and it would just mess everything up and it would shrink in a weird way. So we're not going to do that to her. We're going to treat her right. I might even vacuum out these pockets. We're just going to zhuzh up this bag. I'm going to try to do that and then play a little bit of Animal Crossing. It's a very special day on Animal Crossing because Bertha has moved out. And I sent her a goodbye letter that I'll put up now. I had so much more to say, but they limit you character-wise. Hopefully my head's not cut off. All right, I'm hungry again, so I'm about to eat some little things here. But Devin just headed off on his one wheel, and he's going to go to Toribio's and get us some tacos if they're not closed. It is Mother's Day, so let's see. And some agua fresca, so I'm excited. But I'm still hungry, and I feel like, it's not like my breakfast was huge. I have some bell peppers and some carrots that I cut up yesterday. Some hummus to eat with that. I have a boiled egg from boiling eggs this morning. Yay. And some tomatoes to also eat with the hummus. I've got some calabacitas. It's squash, onion, bell peppers, corn, and Tony's seasoning, and butter. So, got my cooled down coffee. Oh, and also we've got a couple of Cheetos. I love hummus. I could just eat it with a spoon, but I think you should have vegetables with it. Ooh, my. Taking a walk around the park. It's a cute park. All right, well, now I've had lunch and my bed was calling to me. I'd love to take a nap, but I'm going to work out. For like 20 minutes. I've been working out with the YouTuber Natasha Ocean. That's always how I read her name. I'm so bad at filming. I've been doing her workouts. They're like 20-15 minutes, and she can go pretty fast. I'm just focusing on like performing the move well because I'm still there. Yay, here we go. After I worked out, Devin and I went on another walk. Then we got back, I finished my tacos and drank some watermelon juice, and I just remembered now I have a little piece of pizza in the toaster oven. So I'm gonna eat that, and then I'm Zoom calling with the family because it's Mama's Day. Now it is almost 9 o'clock, so I should go to bed. I'm tired, but I've got to find my future neighbor since Bertha moved out, so I've got to play Animal Crossing.
All right, luckily I found a neighbor quickly. Holy crap, that's blue. Her name is Barbara. She's snooty. One of the first things she said to me is that she's always ready to dish, so I had to have her. And now it is almost 10 o'clock, and I will be going to bed probably by 10. About to brush my teeth and go to bed. Hooray!
Come on. Good girl. Use the spray thingy. She's been okay with it before. She doesn't really like that time. You're a good girl. Can you sit? Can you sit? You're a good girl. Stay. Stay. Okay.